Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is An, and if you have been here already, welcome back. Today I have a special guest, as you can see, my boyfriend. This is his first time officially on my YouTube channel. He has been on my channel before, like I think around 2 years ago, but I did his eyebrows, but it was a totally different video than this one. So this is like his first official time that he's here. So for today's video, I wanted to film a boyfriend tag, kind of like so you guys can get to know us both, because I never do these kind of videos as well. So this way I think you can get to know my boyfriend and you can get to know me a bit better. So the first question is, when is my birthday?
September 7th.
Okay. What is my favorite band and musician?
Miguel.
Is he a band?
He's your favorite musician.
Oh, okay.
You don't have a favorite band.
That's true. Who is more jealous?
I think we're both pretty jealous.
Do you think so? I think it's a healthy jealousy.
Yeah.
We're not like extreme jealous, but a little bit.
Yeah.
Who is my celebrity crush? If I have one.
I hope you don't have one right now at the moment. Excuse me!
If I was an animal, which one would I be?
The snake.
You always say I look like a rat.
You would be a goat.
A goat, that's true. A goat.
And why?
Because me and my sister always call each other goats, so we are goats. I am the goat. Who is the dominant one in a relationship? You are.
Me.
I'm a bad boy.
Okay. If I could, what candy could I eat all day long?
I don't know if there's a candy you would eat all day long.
I don't think either.
Because you don't really like candy or sweet.
No, I could eat chips all day.
Doritos, nacho cheese.
Yeah, but no candy. I don't like candy. But you could eat candy all day long.
I would eat candy all day long.
Would you ever go skinny dipping with me?
I think I would go naked, but I don't think you would go naked.
No, I won't. But you are naked all the time.
It's true.
One time we were in Turkey and he was standing naked on a balcony, and like really far away I saw a group of people, and I told him like, if we can see them, they can see you as well. But he didn't realize and he was like all the way naked. Okay, if I would look completely different, would you still date me?
You. What's my bad habit?
You have a lot of them.
Oh, yeah. You have a lot of them.
I'm ordering a pizza. What toppings does it have?
Probably would be a tuna pizza with some red onions, cheese, and tomato sauce as a base.
Yes.
With some jalapeno peppers.
Yes, but you're forgetting a really important one. Onion?
I said red onions.
Oh, I like normal onion. Bitch. What film always makes me cry?
Titanic.
True.
But most movies make you cry.
Yeah.
You cry very fast.
Yeah, I cry at almost every movie. He never cries, by the way. I've never seen my boyfriend cry in 12-year relationship.
Because he's a psychopath.
Because he's a psychopath, yes. If I was really sad, what would you do to cheer me up? This is actually a hidden quality of him. He's like really good at cheering me up. So tell him your secret.
I think I would give you a hug first. Crack some jokes.
Yes.
And also give you a pep talk.
Yeah,
So that would make you feel better about yourself.
Yes, he gives like the best pep talks ever. Like, you should become like a therapist or something like
I
that.
am a full-time therapist.
Yeah, I have my own
Trust me.
therapist. Am I a morning or an evening person?
That's difficult. No, I think you're a morning person.
What?
You're in your best mood when you wake up
Yeah,
early.
okay, that's true. Next question is, what is our song?
I know you like, or you think it's Love in This Club.
Yes. You don't think so?
I think it's Adorn by Miguel.
Oh, okay. So when I started dating him, I was listening to the song from Usher called Love in His Club. So every time I hear that song, it kind of reminds me of the beginning that we started dating. But you don't like the song. So it's actually my song, but it's not really our song. But you say Adorn from Miguel?
Yeah, because you introduced Miguel
Yeah, that's true.
to me when we just had a relationship.
Yeah, when I listen to Miguel, I always think about you too. So.
Same.
Okay, the next one. Who's your favorite family member and your least favorite member from my family?
Easy.
I hope they're not watching.
The favorite one is your mother, I think.
Okay.
And the least favorite is your sister in jail.
In jail? Okay, so I have 2 younger sisters and I have 2 older sisters, and my oldest sister is in jail, and that's your least favorite one. I don't think I have to explain it. Okay, the next one is, what's my weirdest habit?
Weirdest habit? Well, I don't know if it's a weird habit, but you always pluck your lips and always pull off your nail polish.
Oh yeah, that's true. I always have this weird habit that I pluck the skin off my lips, which is actually really gross. And I also, when I'm nervous or just when I'm bored, I like rip off the nail polish. And I can't stop. When I have one piece, I have to continue, which is really weird. That's definitely a weird habit.
Yeah.
Okay guys, this is the last question. If there was one cookie left, would you give it to me?
Hell no.
Okay, so this was the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you got to know us both a bit better. It took us a really long time to film this because we had to laugh like 100 times, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I did. Did you like it?
I did.
Didn't?
I do.
Oh, I do. Okay. I just hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me today.
No problem.
It was a lot of fun. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning.